Hey guys, Jen here. I'm really excited to have you take this journey with me of starting an e-commerce store from scratch. Um, I'll tell you a little bit about my story and then we'll go ahead and get started here launching our new e-commerce store with Shopify. It all started about 5 years ago. I began with e-commerce. I developed a method that helped me to start and grow multiple successful, profitable e-commerce stores. It was a rinse and repeat method that I used on different stores in different niches, and I ended up selling those stores and transitioning to blogging because e-commerce was so much work. There's nothing wrong with work, but it really was taking over my life and I wasn't having that work-life balance that I wanted. So I was able to find that with blogging. So I sold those stores and moved on to blogging. I've been doing that for the past few years. Earlier this year, I decided I want to kind of take another stab at e-commerce. I want to find a way to operate a successful store and still have the work-life balance that I wanted. So I launched. 2 months later, I had an open store, I had sales, but I didn't achieve nearly the success I thought I would by watching gurus on YouTube and on social media. So while I kept the store open, I worked on blogging and other things as an entrepreneur. A week ago, I decided I wanted to take another stab at things, so I restarted my efforts with the e-commerce store, and in the past 9 days, I made almost $1,000. I'm going to be teaching you my strategy. I'll show you what has worked for me, what has not worked, and we'll kind of go through this process and this journey together. So I'm really excited to do that. We will begin. So you'll see here I'm on Shopify.com. And what I'll do first is sign up. Okay, so I'll go ahead and create the store. This is really exciting. If you're interested in this kind of stuff and you want to follow along, please subscribe. You can hit the notification bell below to follow along when I launch new videos. And comment below if you have any questions or if there's specific content that you'd like to see. Okay, and then next we'll fill out the store details. Okay, so if you notice the screen jumping around a little bit, I'm just pausing and restarting the video here so you don't see some of my personal information. Okay, so this is the back end of Shopify, and we just named the store JPink Store. We're going to start here, and we'll start with the theme. And this will be a drop shipping store. So I'm going to source products from most likely AliExpress. I'll probably use the Oberlo app. So I'll get that set up here in just a moment. That way we can have some products loaded onto the store. And then I'm going to be launching in 24 hours. So I won't go through the entire process in this video, but just to give you an overview of what I'll be doing, I'm going to add the theme. I'll fix up the home page to make it look professional. I'll load products using Oberlo from AliExpress.com to the store, and then I'll make sure all the settings are in place. The shipping, the contact us page. I'll create an FAQ page, and then I'll be launching. Okay, so while that's loading, it's taking a little time here. I think this will be a good stopping point. So in the next video, we're going to really dive in and I'll show you the apps that I add to the store, We'll look at what the homepage design process looks like, what theme I picked, and then we'll kind of move on from there. All right, so we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. See you next time. Bye.